Dear friends, thank you for your active participation during the workshop. As you continue improving your English language skills, remember to use authentic resources like internationally renowned books, podcasts, and websites. Pay close attention to the nuances and subtleties of the English language that make communication truly effective. Don't hesitate to seek guidance whenever you encounter challenges. You know I am always eager to help you. So please stay connected, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process. I wish you all the best. Keep learning, keep sharing. I'm your friend, I'm your language buddy, as I used to say. Dharmendra Sheth, founder, Fluent Lingua, Surat.